Hey guys, welcome to Freedom Life Secrets channel. In this video, I want to talk about few things that I wish I knew before starting an online affiliate marketing business. So these things, if you're just starting out, these things will actually help you get your results faster. So before I actually dive into the topic, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin with freedomlifesecrets.com, and I'll be making videos on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, how to create sales funnel and email marketing. If you are interested, please hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So the first point I want to talk about is if you're just getting starting out, you need to understand the concept, like you need to embrace the delayed gratification. What I mean by this is everybody is not a born affiliate marketer. He's born to do affiliate marketing. Everybody come to a certain point in their life, like they want to start an online business, or they already have a business, like they decide to go with affiliate marketing because it's the you don't have to own your product and you don't have to take care of the fulfillment and all other stuff. All you need to just focus on marketing, and it needs very less capital to get started. So they stick with affiliate marketing because they just Google or YouTube, come up with a video like Amazon affiliates, like you can make thousands of dollars of money just by click of this, and all that stuff they watch, and they set that expectation, once they start doing, like they will get that instant results. And what happens when they don't get that results, like they will see like, oh, this is not that easy, and they start giving up. So it's not that easy, obviously, but the process is simple if you follow the right path. And I am just sharing this is not made up things, like this is my personal experience. I came to affiliate marketing business thinking that I'll make a lot of money instantly, and I saw a video of someone explaining about Amazon affiliates. I went ahead and became an affiliate. Somebody said like you need to create a website. I went ahead and created a website. I created a website, and so all the products like that are on Amazon, I started putting on my website, and all of a sudden I'm not seeing any results, and all my efforts like went in vain. And I was getting frustrated, and one of my cousin, he asked me, why would I buy from your site instead of directly going to Amazon? Then it made sense, like I was not giving any value in that website. And some things, like it will hit you, like if you set an expectation, you want to get instant results without knowing anything, without putting in efforts and those things. If you're just getting starting out, just accept this delayed gratification. You keep on doing the things. Like how to overcome this is, like just keep on taking action every single day, and you will see the results in the long term. I mean, not on the long term, like if you have budgets and all, like you can see it immediately, but just be mentally prepared, like you need to accept that delayed gratification. The next mistake that I did was, like I saw many ads coming on my Facebook feed. I see, oh, if you run the ad, like you can make a lot of money, and I didn't had enough budget. And for example, if you're just getting starting out and you have, let's say, $1,000 as your budget, and don't burn it out, I would say, because if you are very well expert in advertisement, go for it. Like if you don't know anything, if you just have $1,000 in your, that too limited $1,000, and you want to try out the paid ads, don't do that. Because what will happen with paid advertisement, it will take a lot of time, not time as in, I would say, a lot of money, in order to test few things and see which one is working better. You need initial investment just for testing, and once you get that correct campaign, like you need to spend more money in order to make it work. So let's say if you have just $1,000, you don't know anything about ads, I just want to run ad to a particular website or anything. Like you don't know, you have not created the hook, story, offer, everything, and those thousands of dollars will be gone in no time, and you will get frustrated, and you may tend to give up again on your business. Don't do that. If you don't have enough budget, stick with, I mean, maybe how to overcome this is, use that budget in order to invest in yourself, learn few things, maybe learn paid advertisement, or maybe invest in some of the free, start with free traffic. There are a ton of videos, you can go ahead and check that out in order to start with the free traffic. And once you have enough results, go for the paid advertisement that actually boost your sales. And that's how the graph Google grows from the linear to exponential graph. So that is one of my recommendation. Don't just directly jump on paid ads if you don't have budget. And take massive imperfect action. I made that imperfect in a red term because what happened when I started, like I saw one YouTube video and I was excited. Okay, he showed me keyword research, and I went ahead and did my keyword research, and I had to write articles which I was not good at, and I started writing, and I got exhausted, and again I left, and I saw another video of someone telling me, hey, go ahead and create content on Facebook. I tried doing that. What happened was, I was taking action. I'm not saying I was taking action, but what happened, like I was trying everything, and in the end of the day I was not getting that results that I desired. And in the coming few days, what happened, I just started consuming the content. Like went from course to course to course, or YouTube video to YouTube video, and I never tend to take action. But what if you're just getting starting out, like let's say if you're consuming this content right now, make notes and take action right away. It could be anything. How to overcome this is by, let's say you're watching this video, go ahead and make your own video. If you're writing reading an email by someone, go ahead and create an email. I'm just giving an example. You need to stick to one thing, like whichever marketing strategy you are using. Let's say you're reading a blog, go ahead and create your blog, take action. And if you're if you are seeing ads on your feed, just go ahead and check that out, which why did they, why they're targeting you, and how well you can optimize, how well they could have optimized, or these things you need to take. Because by taking daily action only, you will reach to a point where whatever results you are expecting, those things will happen. And you may think like, oh, I'm not good at making videos, because I see a lot of people already, they have a big studio and I don't have a perfect lighting, I don't have a nice thing. uh, Nothing has to be perfect when you're starting out. Just take that action. How imperfect it is doesn't matter, it will get better by time. So whatever it is, like whether it is an ad copy or email writing or blog post, YouTube video or Instagram post, whatever it is, just take your first step, that is take action, guys. And this is the step which I lacked. Like I think I almost lost 1 year because of this, because I was trying to do too many things, and in the end I was not doing anything actually. Because after trying some things, I'm back to zero. So power list, this is nothing but a to-do list. I call it as a power list because my mentor taught me this way, because it is very powerful. But what is this? Nothing but is like, once you get up in the morning, just make a list out of the things that you want to do for that particular day. You can be more specific as you can in that list. Because let's say if you just write, I need to write an article, okay, that is there in the list. Once you come and start trying to write an article, you don't know on what topic you want to write that article, and you may end up doing that topic research on that particular day, and you get overwhelmed and you don't do the topic research as well, and you don't write that article as well. So such things can happen. So what you need to do is be more specific with it. Like you can say like, I want to write an article on how to start an affiliate marketing as a beginner for this keyword. And what are the points you want to cover? I want to write on niche selection, and I want to write on keyword research, and I want to write on content creation. So be specific as you can. And what will happen is, once you come and start doing the task for a particular day, okay, you already know, okay, I need to write on niche selection today with this article. I know this, I need to do this research, and you go ahead and start writing it. And what happens with this is, uh, maybe once you complete that list for that particular day, and you will feel that sense of achievement with your in your day. Like, okay, I have been so much productive this day, and you get excited and you tend to do more on that particular day. And this will actually track you what all you're working, and it will give you clarity on what you need to do next. That way, this power list helps you a lot, not only in your business, you can implement this in your daily lives as well. Like you in your office, you may be following it already, like I need to follow up with this person on this topic, okay, I need to schedule a meeting with this client or person or whatever. So these things actually help your business. So this one I was missing in my initial days. Even though I used to make a list, I was not specific, and once I started doing the task, I was not very clear what I was supposed to do. Then I used to not do that particular task for that day, and I used to feel again missing on that day, and not take action again on this next day. Same thing tomorrow. Don't do that. Just create your power list and be specific on it, and focus on one marketing strategy. uh, Especially if you are just starting out, there's the because internet, like, there's a lot of information out there. You're seeing an YouTube video today, the person tells you, hey, go ahead and create your Facebook profile and keep posting content on that, and you will see results. And you start doing that for maybe few weeks or maybe in 10 days, and you don't see massive results. What you will do is you will go to another video where that person will tell you, hey, go and do YouTube, where YouTube is a second search engine. So a lot of people search for, billion people search for videos every day. Go ahead and create that. You get excited, you start doing YouTube like for 2 weeks again, and you don't see any views on your channel. You get frustrated. You go ahead and say, okay, maybe you're not good at videos, so somebody will say, go ahead and create a blog. Okay, you start writing an article, 2-3 weeks it passes away, and like you don't see again results. Again you take different one. So what will happen is, if somebody said email marketing, you go ahead and start building your list and nothing works, so again you come back to another different strategy, different course. What will happen with this is, maybe you're taking action for a particular there is something called as red ocean. What will happen is, uh, let's say you are started writing a blog maybe for 2 months. Okay, you are not seeing the results instantly, but actually you have built so much of momentum for that blog, but you are not seeing any results. You get frustrated. Once you stop that there, maybe your article might have been ranked the very next day, you don't know. But still, if you have stopped and Google starts like Google doesn't index your website and the ranking goes down, or it happens with your YouTube, like you created content till 2 months, and again you don't see any results, you stopped it. Again you're any because YouTube always seeks for the active account, like you need to keep on adding content to your channel, and you stopped it. So nothing is gonna work. The same thing goes with Facebook or Instagram or any other marketing strategy that you are using. So please make sure you choose one, right, the right one in the beginning, and stick with it till the end until you succeed. And once you see a massive amount of results, let's say I'm expected to I set my goals as making $10,000 from this channel, and once I achieve that, I can go to a next one, that is I can go ahead and build I can create a blog, maybe whichever you are passionate about, obviously. And you can go for different things. Once you take a one star marketing strategy, and if you meet that your goal, and once that is done, go for the next one. Don't do like try to do everything at once, and you will end up doing nothing. Again, you will be back to square zero. So I hope that makes sense to you. And this is one of the important part, build your list. Because when you're starting out your online business, all we want is just send the traffic to your affiliate link, but we tend to miss that part. Is the collecting an email is very very important step. Because in the long term, if you want to stay in the industry, like, you need to build your list, because list is something that you own. And for example, you started building an Instagram followers or a YouTube channel, I'm not saying don't do that, start doing that. All of a sudden one day Instagram says your account is banned, all of a sudden YouTube bans your channel and everything is gone. And even if you even if you create a new account, all the followers are gone. You can't ask Instagram to just say get me all my followers back. You can't ask YouTube to get me all my subscribers back. That's not possible. But with list, what happens, you will have the full control over the list, and you can communicate whenever you want. You can build a relationship with your list whenever you want. So I think this point it may not seem very important at if you're just starting out, but at some point of your journey you will realize the importance of list. And rather than doing it at that point of time, start doing if you're just getting started. That way, by the time you realize the importance of it, you would already have a big list and you can make more money with it. these are the few points that I feel like I wish I knew this importance of these points, that could have gave me results much faster. And I hope, by watching this video, I hope you got some clarity, like what all things you need to consider while starting out your business. I hope you got value from this video, guys. And also, if you're just starting out, like you don't know where to go, if you want any kind of training or anything, I will leave the link in the description for a program that is created by my mentor Sebastian Gomez. It's a partner with Sebastian Gomez, where you will get an opportunity of promoting this product, where you can earn high ticket commissions and recurring commissions. And also in this program, you're gonna get the free training step by step. If you want to do free traffic, if you want to do paid ads, if you want the business foundation, the mindset, everything is covered in this training, guys. And it will take you to the right path, and it costs you just $7 per month. It has just launched. It is at the beginning, and the price may increase. And I hope I'm sure, like, you won't regret the decision of, if you decide to take this course after watching this training modules, like, you won't regret the decision you have made to join this program. So go ahead and check the link. I'll leave the link in the description. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.